So number 6, we're using the square roots method, right? Square root method is just, I mean, it's a fancy way to say they just solve for the variable, right? So you're just trying to get the variable by itself, okay? So if we're just trying to get the variable by itself on number 6, what do we have to do first? That's not with the square root method. The square root method, you just solve for the variable. So we don't need to do that. We got to divide by 2 first. Right, so there goes the 2, and what's left? That's right, x minus 7 squared equals 8. And so now we're just trying to get the x by itself, right? So what should we do next? What are we trying to get rid of here? The squared. How do you get rid of the squared? Square root. So we're going to square root both sides? Yeah.
So the 2's on the outside, you divide it all by 2. So
Right, because that's the way you read this is 2 times x minus 7 squared, right?
yeah, but when you divide it, do you like never do anything in the parentheses when you're dividing?
Right, because that's just on the outside. That 2 is multiplying to everything on the inside of the parentheses. So by just crossing out the outside 2, you're canceling it out.
Okay, so even if it was like a 6 and
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You only cross out the outside one. Yeah. So if we take square root of both sides, what's on the left side now? X minus 7 equals. Oh wow! Spoiler alerts. Okay, we're gonna go square root of 8 first, and then. Okay, so what does square root of 8 break down into? Right, square root of 4 times square root of 2. So x minus 7 equals square root of 4 times square root of 2. And we can simplify one of those, right? Which one? Square root of 4, which is what? Is it just 2? Plus or minus 2. So here we are, x minus 7. Oh, okay. X minus 7 equals plus or minus 2, square roots of 2. All right, we got one more step here to get x by itself. What do we need to do? Plus 7. And so what's your final answer then? Very good, and that's your answer. Nice.